In this video, I will guide you on how to see all your sent follow requests on Instagram. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now find the option of account settings. Here you want to find the option of your information and permissions. Then tap on export your information. Now tap on create export. Select export to device. Now find the option of customize information. Here you want to make sure that followers and following is selected. So you basically want to clear all the other options and then select only followers and following. So go ahead and tap on clear all for the rest of this. Then tap on save. Now tap on date range. Now choose a date range based on when you may have sent the follow request. Then tap on save. Now tap on start export. Enter your Instagram password over here. Now, you need to wait while Instagram prepares your data export. Once ready, download the zip file. Open the extracted folder, go to connection, followers and following, then select pending follow request. You will now see all the Instagram follow requests you have sent that are pending. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.